Want to know how to make an AI agent detect sentiment from a given text or a sentence? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, so simply open up your AgentGPT website. So you can just simply head towards agentgpt.revoke.ai and you should be right here. So we have also created various videos regarding AgentGPT, which is available in our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now, since we want to detect sentiment from a sentence, we need to be on a deployment tab. So just simply select the name of your GPT. So once you have named it up, you can just simply type in a sentence. So I have this sentence right here. Now I can just simply prompt on the agent this. Now just simply select run once that is done, and now your chat should start working. Now just simply select run, and then your agent should start generating. And once your agent has started generating, you can also follow up using the same or different sentences in order to find the sentiment. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.